Watch this. Same link. That's page A. Now watch what happens next. Same link again. This time, page B. One link, two destinations. A link rotator, sometimes called a URL rotator, is a short link that automatically splits your traffic across two or more destinations. Every click, Linkly draws a destination out of a hat, using percentages you control. People use rotators to A/B test landing pages, to split traffic between affiliate offers, and to spread new members across WhatsApp groups before they hit the group size cap. Here's how to build a link rotator in Linkly. Paste in your first destination. Linkly instantly builds your short link, names it after the page, and draws the QR code. Now, rotate destinations, add your second page. It starts with half the traffic. I'll send 30% to page B, the rest goes to page A. Give it a nickname you'll recognize. Hit save, and your rotator is live. Let's prove it. Opening the link. Page A, the iPhone page. Remember, every click is a random draw. Again, the same page again. Streaks happen. 30% means roughly 1 in 3. And there it is, page B, the Mac page. That's the rotator doing its job. Now, the results. Linkly shows human clicks by default. One click includes the bot traffic and hides it again. The destination tab is your scoreboard. Every click split by page. Break it down by country or count unique visitors instead. Quick recap of where rotators shine. A/B testing 2 landing pages from the same ad or bio link. Rotating between affiliate offers to see which one pays. And WhatsApp rotators, one link that spreads new members across several groups so you never hit the group limit. Rotators are part of Linkly's Pro plan, but you can start on the free plan today, no card needed, and switch the rotator on when you're ready to test. The link's in the description. If this helped, subscribe. Next up, how to build a tracking link that shows you clicks, city, and device in real time.